guys, I'm standing at the window and I'm trying to video my door, so you see how my door looks like when you enter my. I just want to show you the door side first. This is the door, and I'm going to want to just show you how it is when you enter my room. So this is my socket. Let me on the blue lights. I don't know how the blue light looks like, but then this is it with the blue lights. This is my room when it was. Installation day, and as usual in DIY. I didn't know why I had to go through all this, but then yeah. Okay, this is about the third day of the installation, and this is how the room is already looking like. This is called skirting or wallpaper border, so I'm trying to align it to my wall around the border of my room, because if you notice, you can see clearly the room has the walls are already getting old, so that's why I had to go through the choice of putting this. So it's quite affordable, you can get it. I'll put down it in the description box where you can get it.
Blessings full of my eye. That's my I don't want to reason bad things no more. I don't want to go back to where I did before. Make up any stress, me don't disturb me, I sip my alcohol. I don't want to reason bad things no more. I don't want to.
So guys, I just got new curtains and ta-da! Yes, yep. I just got to change my curtains. I hope you saw the previous video. I changed the curtains to this color because I don't know, I wanted to give this my room a white, brown, black thing. So that is it. I don't know if you think the curtain is nice. So guys, this is about the 5th day of installation, and yes, I want to show you what I put next. And this is the wire, as you can see, to cover up the wire that was shown on the wall. I had to put this casing. I'll put down the price below. Yeah, this is how it's just cover the wire that runs down the wall to give it a more class certificate. So yeah, that's about that. So yes guys, next thing I want to show you is my lights. I don't know if you can see it. I'll set it on. I put in new lightings, and yeah, this is it. It's one of it that we installed, and then I have another one. This is the second one I have, and that one too. wood, and we have different lights. Yeah, that's the next light. Yeah, so that is it for the lightnings. Still we put more lightning, but for now this is what we have to deal with. Yes guys, that's my bookshelf, and I know there are a lot of things going on there, but yeah, so beneath the bookshelf my ring light, and I'm supposed to put my table in this particular area, but my table has not come yet, so it's still on the way. My table, and I need to get my table, and again I need to get my bed frame, so it's still on the way. So yes guys.